This jacket ain't waterproof. I thought it was. Dude, we're gonna be soaked getting in the truck. Dude, it's freezing. Oh my God, I'm soaked. I mean, I'm absolutely soaked. Oh man, that rain is cold. I don't know if this was a good idea, Toner. I don't know if this was a good idea. Holy crap, I'm freezing. That rain is cold. Fishing with Feller, baby. I'm done. Well, I wouldn't say this is a skunk because the weather. It ain't really a skunk because it's hard to fish in this. It's just so damn cold and so wet. Man, it's freezing cold. We tried. So damn cold. It's so cold. It's so cold. Woohoo! Man, at least the truck got a wash, baby.